The internet and big data era is also the era of smartphones. The number of smartphone users keeps increasing year by year and is expected to reach 2.16 billion in 2016. Therefore, smartphone maintenance demand is also increasing. The Huawei Device High-Level Repair Centers (HLRCs) are divided into 4 regional capability centers, which are located in Beijing, Shenzhen, Prague, and Miami. Supported by 7 professional maintenance partners, HLRCs are able to provide maintenance services around the globe. The Huawei Device HLRCs are equipped with a factory-level professional testing and maintenance capabilities to ensure the end-to-end maintenance quality. The annual number of maintained products has reached 1 million. Huawei has set up a 3-layer maintenance technology system consisting of professional R&D staff, technical support teams, and maintenance engineering teams. The Huawei Device HLRC adopts an end-to-end visualized system to guarantee that the fault diagnosis process is complete and that all maintenance information is visualized and traceable. The maintenance engineer will firstly check the issues after receiving a faulty phone. After confirming the fault, the maintenance engineer disassembles the phone. The maintenance engineer carefully checks for component collision, missing components, scratches, or other cosmetic defects on the PCBA in every maintenance procedure. To quickly locate the fault, Huawei has developed a series of diagnostic tools, including IC, memory test, and NFF. These tools can be used to check for potential faults on a phone and ensure that the fault can recur completely. Advanced instruments such as thermal imager, oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, high-precision multimeter, programmable power supply, and a microscope are used for precise fault locating. To ensure good maintenance results, all PCBAs must be baked to remove any moist before soldering. After soldering, the BGA chips must be glue dispensed and baked again to ensure high maintenance quality. After PCBA maintenance, the CPT is required to test the phone RF indicators. After the phone is repaired, operators will then assemble the qualified phones. Automated elevators, screw fastening machines, press fitting machines, audio testing equipment, 8900 MT equipment, slide drop, and other advanced automated machines have been introduced to the Huawei Device HLRCs, significantly shortening the maintenance delivery cycle and improving product quality. Testers perform functional tests on the phone to check whether it can function properly. The automated AT, aging test, MT, RD test, and other special tests are performed to check whether the phone performance indicators meet the requirements. The phone's physical numbers are assigned. The phone will be put into comprehensive testing after assembly to guarantee high maintenance quality. The operator checks the appearance of the phone. If no cosmetic defect is found, the operator attaches a new protective film and physical numbers to phone's rear cover. The operator then records the maintenance information of the phone into the computer. The Huawei Device HLRC promote advanced quality inspection ideas, methods, and tools to achieve a Six Sigma quality management level and pursue zero defects with continuous improvements. After the maintenance engineer repeatedly tests and checks the phone, the tester performs detailed information again. Finally, a professional quality inspector checks the final quality. These procedures guarantee that the phone will have no defect and is high quality when delivered to the customer. The professional material IT management system is used during the packaging process. A dedicated set of packaging materials is provided for each item. Product packages are ensured to be shock-proof, pressure-proof, and ESD-proof. Maintenance engineers from general service centers nationwide gather in HLRC to take training courses and exams in product assembly and disassembly, testing, soldering, and fault locating, provided by the advanced maintenance engineers from the HUAWEI Device HLRC. This is to improve the maintenance capabilities of the general service centers, shorten the delivery cycle, and improve customer satisfaction. The HUAWEI Device HLRC also have a dead on arrival DOA and dead after purchase DAP analysis team and second time repair analysis team. These teams cooperate with the product R&D staff to locate root causes and provide solutions in the DOA, DAP, and second time repair scenarios with the most advanced maintenance equipment and software tools, as well as the most professional and effective analysis methods, improving the production quality. The HUAWEI Device HLRC keep making progress in pursuing zero defect and improving the maintenance capabilities and production quality, aiming to provide the fastest and the most thoughtful after-sales services for customers.